hello, George.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. So, Peter Fonda just passed away, and he produced and starred in Easy Rider. And you shared a memory with me about the first week, opening week of Easy Rider, and I wanted to ask you to tell us about that.
Well, I just turned 16 and got a car. I bought it for $100. It was a 52 Chevy, and we're looking for a place to go cruising with it. And my cousin calls me and said, "Hey, there's this new biker movie in Westwood. You want to go?" So I would drive anywhere. So we ended up.
Where
going
did you
up
live?
there. I lived in Fullerton.
Okay, so you drove from Fullerton to Westwood.
And then we get there and we couldn't find a place to park. We had to drive around and around, and the police were there, and they were just pulling everybody over because all these Hell's Angels were there.
Whoa.
And they were trying to, stop, give them tickets and everything. Well,
Yeah.
anyway, I got pulled over for not signaling for a right-hand turn for 100 feet. I go, that's pretty, hard up for a ticket. So anyway, I went to the court to fight it, and I told him where the cop was sitting. He couldn't see me for 100 feet, so they dismissed the ticket. I didn't have to pay.
All right, you got
But
off.
there were probably the whole 3/4 of the crowd were Hell's Angel guys, and the line was about a block long. So we stood in line and were joking around, and everyone was smoking pot in line and everything.
Wow.
And they didn't.
And
say
the
anything.
police were there? And
Well, the police were in the cars. They
oh
weren't
my
going to
gosh.
come, where the crowd was, because they were smarter than that.
Whoa.
So anyway, we get in the theater, and everybody starts lighting up and smoking, in the theater.
Oh my
and
gosh.
show starts, and everybody was getting into the music. It had a really good soundtrack.
Yes, it did.
And so then at the end movie, when the accident, well, everybody knows the ending, when they got shot by these redneck guys, the crowd was just like a mob. They go, "Let's go get some rednecks," and they started running out of the theater.
Oh my gosh.
And so we decided to get out of there, but it was an experience. It was like the premiere in Westwood. So it was then all my friends, that movie was a big hit. So then when I told them I had seen them at the premiere, they all, I was cool, because I got to see them.
Did everybody cheer at the end of the movie, or?
No, they were all mad.
They were all mad.
They were all mad at the end of the movie. I had never seen a reaction like that to a crowd in a movie theater before.
Yeah.
And, so that was my, experience. And then some of my friends decided to get choppers, and they were all trying to copy Peter Fonda's Captain America with the red, white, and blue helmet, and it was they all thought they were going to be just like the movie.
Yeah.
And,
oh my gosh.
So that inspired a lot of generation of.
A lot of rebels, rebellious.
Well, there weren't any movies about our generation yet, so that was kind of the first
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for sharing that memory.
Okay.
May Peter Fonda rest in peace.
Yes.
Yes. Got it.
I'm not sure that he
Okay, thank you. Yeah, he might still be a rebel, huh? Well, we can still say that.